Orchestrating a flawless supply chain requires juggling with countless moving pieces. We present our supply chain management presentation template, a strategic roadmap to excellence as the ultimate remedy that will bring order to chaos and make your business operations stand out. Ready to disrupt the status quo? Secure your spot at the forefront of supply chain innovation by downloading this PPT bundle. As an added incentive, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. This content-ready PPT set uncovers the secrets to building a well-oiled supply chain. From procurement to distribution, explore the key components that harmonize operations, drive efficiency, and deliver exceptional customer satisfaction. Build the roadmap to supply chain excellence. From sourcing to delivery, this PPT layout simplifies the process. Streamline operations, optimize efficiency, and achieve success in every step of the supply chain journey. Deploy this PPT slide and embark on a procurement adventure. Master strategic sourcing with ease, where supplier discovery becomes a thrilling quest and contract negotiations are battles won. Experience how logistics and IT interact. Witness the coordination, real-time visibility, and automated processes that drive supply chain efficiency. Let technology and transportation converge to unlock a world of smooth operations and create customer delight. Join the ranks of supply chain pioneers. Download our transformative template and equip yourself with the tools for success. This PPT preset equips you with the tools to anticipate demand and optimize production. Stay ahead of the curve, make informed decisions, and drive supply chain success with foresight and precision. Master the art of inventory management with our transformative PPT set. From optimizing stock levels to minimizing holding costs, seize control over your inventory. This PPT layout sheds light on tackling common challenges such as demand variability and supplier disruptions. Gain insights, implement proactive strategies, and conquer the hurdles that stand in the way of a resilient supply chain. As the curtain falls on this journey, remember this: with our supply chain management presentation template in hand, you're equipped to conquer challenges, optimize operations, and reshape industries.